Good afternoon, class 12. This video is on working capital. What is the need for working capital? There are two types of capital. One is required to acquire fixed assets. One is required to run the business on the day-to-day basis. The capital that is required to acquire fixed assets is called long-term capital, and the capital which is required to buy raw materials, packaging materials, pay rent, insurance premium, wages, salary, or anything that has to do with day-to-day operations of business is called working capital. So money needed to fund day-to-day operation is known as working capital. So if you want to, working capital ensures that enough cash is there to meet fixed financial commitments. Fixed financial commitments include conversion of raw materials to end products, paying wages, rent, salary, utility bills, insurance premiums, etc. Now, there is a concept called cash conversion cycle. What does this mean? It means the time taken for converting cash back to cash. What are you doing in this cycle? You are taking cash, converting it into raw materials. That is, you are purchasing raw materials. From the raw materials, you are getting accounts payable because you have purchased the raw materials on credit. Now you will pay the accounts payable only when you sell the things. So sales happens. From sales you get accounts receivables. So accounts receivables and accounts payable gets converted into cash, and cash comes back to cash. Cash out situations are buying of raw materials and paying of accounts payable, and cash in situations are sales and bills receivables. Now see, what is cash conversion cycle? It is a cycle which refers to a length of time between a firm's purchase of inventory and the receipt of cash from accounts receivables. Raw material is being purchased, converted into finished goods. Finished goods are getting sold. Accounts receivables are getting converted into cash. You are paying bills payable from that cash, and the cash conversion cycle closes. I'll show you the diagram once more. It will be clear. Now suppose you need, here cash is converted to stock of materials. You are purchasing raw materials. Then you are manufacturing finished goods. You are selling the finished goods. You are getting bills receivables, and bills receivables is getting converted into cash. This is called the cash conversion cycle. Thank you.